If your kitchen feels cluttered with too many appliances and somehow none of them actually do everything you need, you're not alone. One machine for toast, another for air frying, something else for baking, it adds up fast both in cost and counter space. That's exactly the problem the Ninja Foodi 13 in one dual heat air fry oven is trying to solve. This is an all-in-one countertop oven designed for busy households, home cooks, and anyone who wants faster, more flexible cooking without juggling multiple devices. It combines air frying, baking, roasting, dehydrating, and more into a single unit. And the promise is that it actually replaces most of what's already on your counter. First impressions are strong. The stainless steel finish gives it a premium, slightly industrial look that feels at home in both modern and traditional kitchens. It's definitely not tiny, but what makes it interesting is the flip-away design. When you're done using it, you can literally tilt it upright against your backsplash, freeing up a surprising amount of counter space. It's one of those features that sounds like a gimmick until you actually try it, and then you realize how practical it is. The build quality feels solid overall. The door opens smoothly, the trays slide in without friction, and the included accessories, like the air fry basket and sear plate, feel durable enough for regular use. Nothing about it feels cheap or overly fragile. The controls are digital, but simple enough to navigate without constantly checking the manual, which is important for something with as many functions. Where this oven really tries to stand out is with its dual heat technology. In simple terms, it uses both a directly heated surface and powerful, circulating hot air at the same time. What that means in real life is faster cooking and better texture. You can get a crispy outside while still keeping the inside tender, especially with foods like chicken, fries, or even reheated pizza. In day-to-day use, the speed is noticeable. It preheats quickly, often in about a minute, and cooks significantly faster than a traditional oven. For quick meals like frozen snacks, toast, or weeknight dinners, it feels more convenient than waiting for a full-size oven to heat up. The air fry function works well for reducing oil, and you still get that crispy finish people expect. One feature that stands out is the built-in smart thermometer. Instead of guessing whether your chicken or steak is done, you can plug it in and get a more precise result. It's especially useful if you're not confident with cooking temperatures, and it takes some of the stress out of preparing meat. It's not something everyone will use every day, but when you do, it's genuinely helpful. Noise levels are reasonable. You'll hear the fan when it's running, especially during air frying, but it's not disruptive. It blends into normal kitchen background noise. Cleaning is fairly manageable too. The crumb tray catches most of the mess, and the nonstick surfaces make wiping things down easier, although you'll still need to clean the accessories regularly. Now, to keep things balanced, there are a few trade-offs. This isn't a small appliance, even with the flip-up feature, so if your kitchen is extremely tight, it might still feel bulky. Also, while it does many things well, it doesn't fully replace a high-end oven or a dedicated air fryer in every scenario. For example, if you cook large meals for big families regularly, the capacity might feel limiting compared to a full oven. Compared to other air fryer toaster oven combos in this price range, this one stands out because of its versatility and speed. Some models offer similar functions, but lack the dual heat system, which means slightly longer cooking times or less consistent crisping. Others might be cheaper, but don't include features like the smart thermometer or the flip-away storage design. This Ninja model positions itself as a more complete, all-in-one solution rather than just a basic combo appliance. So who is this really for? If you're someone who cooks often but wants to simplify your setup, this makes a lot of sense. It's especially useful for small to medium households, busy professionals, or anyone trying to cut down on multiple kitchen gadgets. But if you already have specialized appliances that you love, or you regularly cook in large batches, you might not fully replace everything with this one unit. Overall, the Ninja Foodi 13 in 11 air fry oven delivers on its main promise. It saves time, reduces clutter, and makes everyday cooking more flexible without adding complexity. If that sounds like what your kitchen needs, check the link in the description for the latest price and availability. And if this helped you make a decision, go ahead and like the video and subscribe for more honest, Real world reviews.